Hi students, good morning. In before session we have learned about, that is we have studied about how to expand a form and how to multiply the zeros and how to divide the zeros and how to convert the statement problems into the numerals, and then we have did the problems in before session. But now we are going to continue from that try these, that is we have studied, we have completed the try these. In that session is try these book page number 6. Now we are going to see try these book page number 7. Now I am saying you what to say is, now you have to keep your book with you. Okay, keep your book with you. Take the page number what I have insisted here. You have to take the page number, then only you will come to understand, oh ma'am is teaching this, oh ma'am is going to complete this session, oh ma'am is going to complete the unit 1 within a week or within a 2 week. So while seeing your book only, you will come to an understanding that what we are learning. So by not only seeing the videos, you have to note it down and you have to mark in your books. Okay, till what ma'am has completed, you have to mark in your book. And you have to work in a fair. And you have to complete your assignments too, side by side. Okay students, okay, now we can see the topic, that is try these book page number 7. Okay, all of you take your book and a pencil or pen in your hand. Okay, now the first one is find the place value of underlined digits. Find the place value of underlined digits. So okay, what they have given here, you have to find the place value of underlined one. So for finding that, what we have to do first? So we have to put commas, then we have to write place value, then we have to find out the underlined digit value. Okay, so first step is what? We have to put commas. So just take that number and write it here: 3, 8, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now put the place value, comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2. Okay, now write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, what is the underlined number here? 8. So what is the place value of 8? It is lakh. So how many lakh? What is the number? 8 lakh. Clear ma? So can you understand how we have to find the underlined digit values? Yes? Okay. The next thing, the next question. Now take the question and write it: 9, 4, 4, 3, 8, 1, 0. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to put comma. So 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2. Okay. Next we have to write the place value. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So what is the number they have underlined? 4. Okay, what is the place value of 4? 10,000. Okay, very good. 10,000 equal to, what is the number? 4. 4 means, that is 10,000 means we have to write it as 40,000. 40,000. See, you yourself can give some more examples based on this. Okay, for your easy clarification. Okay, now the second question. Okay, the second question is, write down the numerals and place value of 5 in the numbers represented by the following number name. Now what they have given means, they are asking us to do 2 steps. First one is, we have to write the number name as numerals, and after writing as numerals, we have to take it out and write the place value of 5 alone. Place value of 5 alone. Okay, okay, now we can start writing the number name. So now first is check which is the biggest place value. It is lakh. Yes, So you have to draw a place value chart till lakh. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, we have drawn a place value. Then you have to read the question one by one. Okay, one by one. So 47 lakh. 47. Ma'am, 47 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நீங்கள் வெறும் லேக் தானே சொன்னீங்க. அப்போ 40ன்றது எங்கே வருது? 10 lakhல வரும். So 40 will come in 10 lakh. So that is, we have to see it as, just read 47. So 47ன்றதை நீங்கள் எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? 47 எழுதுவீங்களா? அப்போ எப்படி ரீட் பண்ணுங்கள்? 47 lakh. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன வரணும்? 47 lakh. கிளியர்? 47 lakh. புரிஞ்சதா? ஸோ இது கம்ப்ளீட்டட். கிளியர்? தென் 38,000 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை விட்டுருங்க, இதை மட்டும் பாருங்கள். 38 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? 38. தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஸோ 38,000. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன வரணும்? 38,000. கிளியர்? புரிஞ்சதா? ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல். தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ எண்டட். ஓகே, லீவ் இட். 561. 500ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ 100க்கு நேராக 5 போட்டுருங்க. ஈஸி. 61 எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? சிம்பிளி 61 எழுதுவீங்களா? ஸோ ஹியர் 61. கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? Very simple. Now the first, how we have to give number name means, first you have to write the place value chart, then split பண்ணிக்கோங்க. lakh தனியா, 1000 தனியா, 100 தனியா, ones தனியா split பண்ணிட்டு then you have to write the place value numbers. Then we have to give commas. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. Okay, now the next question, the first question is completed. We have to complete the second question, that is we have to write the place value of 5. So where is a 5? Here. So 5 means it is 100. So 100. What 100? 500. Clear ma? Can you understand how we have to give the name? And now read the name here. 47 lakh 561. That's all. Very good. Next, the next question. The same thing we are going to see here. Now see, till crore they have given. So this is the biggest value. So till crore means you have to write the place value till crore. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, we have written. The next step, first we have to see crore, till crore. So 9 crore, simply they have given us 9 crore. So leave that crore and just see the number. It is 9. So just 9. So 9 crore. So crore, here only crore. This is 10 crore. Here they have given crore. So this is just 9. Okay. Next lakh. Stop till lakh. Okay. Then stop till the number. That is 82. How you will write? 82. So 82 lakh. Here 82 lakh. Clear? Then 50,000. So stop till 50,000. So for 50, how will you write? 50. 50 na neenga eppadi dhanama eluveenga? 50,000. Appo inga enna varanum? 50,000. Clear? Very simple. Then 200. Stop till 100. 2 means 2 னு எழுதுவீங்க. So 200. So 200. 41 எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? 41 னு எழுதுவீங்களா? So இங்க என்ன வரும்? Remaining 41. Clear? So you have to split பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Place values நம்பரையும் நீங்கள் split பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will get the answer easily. So next we have to put comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. So first question is completed. Second question, we have to see the place value of 5. So what is the place value of 5 here? Means it is 10,000. What? 10,000. So it is 5. So that is 50,000. Clear? Can you understand how we are giving the numerals by using number name, and we have to find the place value of 5 here. Okay. Okay, the third sum. Okay, so 19 crore 57 lakh 60,370. So I'll leave it. Okay, the biggest place value is crore. So till crore we have to write the place value chart. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, now I have written the place value chart. The next one, what we have to see, we have to stop till the place value crore. அப்போ இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 19 crore. அப்போ 19ல stop பண்ணும். So 19 means we will write it as 19. So 19 crore. So here 19 crore. Clear? Okay, then lakh. Stop till lakh, and you have to stop till the place number, that is 57. You will write it as 57. So 57 lakh. 57 lakh. Clear? Then 60,000. So 60, how will you write it? 60. அப்போ இங்க என்ன வரணும்? 60,000. That is 60,000. Then 300. Here 3 means 3. Just 3. So 370. So 70 na எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? 70 எழுதுவீங்களா? So here 70. So put commas 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. So first question completed. The second question is. So what is the second question? So second question is we have to write the place value of 5. So what is the place value of 5? That is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh. So 5 include பண்ணோம் அப்படினாக்கா 50 lakh. Can you understand? So for changing the number name as numerals, there is few steps has been taken place. That is, first you have to write the place value chart by checking the biggest place value. Then after finishing that, you have to split the place values, that is like crore, lakh, thousand, hundred. Then you have to see the number. So by seeing ordinary number, that is yes 19 na eppadi eludunum 19. So likewise you have to split it and you have to write. By connecting the number and place value, you can easily form the numerals. Okay, after that we have to find the place value of 5 alone. So this is a easy way of finding the numerals. Okay. Next, there is next try these, that is page number 9. So in page number 9 we are going to see the try these. Okay, here identify the incorrect places of commas and rewrite correctly. So what they have given here, they have given some problems with commas, but the commas what they have given is not correct. It is in incorrect form. So we have to change that into correct form. We have to rewrite it correctly. So they have first asked you to rewrite these two sums in Indian system. So you already know how we have to write it in Indian system. So first step is we have to take that number and write simply, just write the number here. So that is, I am going to write the number. So that is 5 6 1 2 3 4 0 1 5. So after completing what they have asked, first you have to see that whether they have asked you to change for Indian system or for international system. They are asked you to change in Indian system. So Indian system means what we have to do, we have to count it as 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma sorry. So how we will change? So first take that number and write it. Here I am going to write. So 5 6 1 2 3 4 0 1 5. Okay, so I am writing here. So 0 1 5 means what we have to do? So we have to put in Indian system means 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. Sorry students, sorry. Indian system means 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. Yes. So next question. So next question also we have to take that and write it simply. So 9 9 0 0 3 2 2 4 5. We have to write put the commas in Indian system. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 2. That's all. Very simple. Okay. Now we are going to do the sum in international system. So for that also the same procedure we are going to follow. So first we have to take the number and we have to write it. So 7 5 6 1 3 4 5 3 4. Okay, next we have to put comma. So for international system the comma will be like this. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. It will goes on. Clear? Next sum, that is take the number and write it first. So 3 0 3 0 3 0 4 0 4 0. Now we have to put commas. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. Clear? That's all. Very simple. You can do it in Indian system and as well as in international system. Okay, then try this book page number 13. The next, yeah, all should open your book page number 13. Now open it. Okay, write the numbers in ascending orders. Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending means what? Ascending means small to big, isn't it? Yes. Okay, now how we can write it? Now first we can write the place value chart here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We can stop till 10 lakh. Okay. Now what they have given first? First see they have given 3 digits. So 8, 8, 6. So from this side we have to start. So 8, 8, 6. Okay. Next it is 9. Just 9. Okay. Stop. Next here from here we have to start. So 5, 0, 0, 3, 2. Okay. Next simply 5. Okay, next here from here we are going to start. So 0 0 5 7. Okay, small means what? Chinna number. So chinna number enna paaktona idu only one digit. ஆமாம், ஒன்லி 1 digit நம்பரில் இருக்குது. அதாவது ஒன்லி ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸில் இருக்கிறது தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஸ்மால்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ பை சீயிங் தட் 9 and 5 இஸ் இன் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ். ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர். ஸோ ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பரில் இங்கே 9 இருக்குது, இங்கே 5 இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்லும்போது விச் ஒன் இஸ் ஸ்மால்? வி ஹவ் டு கம்பேர் these two numbers. So 9 ஐயும் 5 ஐயும் கம்பேர் பண்ணோம். ஸோ 9 ஐயும் 5 ஐயும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது which one will be your small? 5 will be the small. Then the ones digit 9 ones தான், அதனால அந்த 9 தான் next வரும். ஓகே, இந்த ones digit ரெண்டுமே finished. Then 2 digit, that is tens placeல ஏதாவது இருக்கா? இல்லை. நெக்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூக்கு நம்ம போகணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூனா 100. 100 பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவில் ஏதாவது இருக்கா? எஸ், தேர் இஸ். விச் ஒன் இஸ் 688. ஸோ தட் ஷுட் கம் நெக்ஸ்ட். ஓகே, 100லேயும் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு மேம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 1000 பார்க்கணும் நான். ஸோ 1000ல் பார்க்கும்போது ஸோ இப்படி வந்தோம்னா இதுதான் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் இல்லைங்களா? ஸ்மால் டு பிக். திஸ் சைடு இஸ் ஸ்மால் டு பிக். அப்புறம் இந்த சைட்லேருந்து வந்தோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர், பிக் டு ஸ்மால். சரிங்களா? ஓகே, இப்போ 100 முடிச்சாச்சு. தென் வி ஹாவ் டு சி 1000. ஸோ 1000ல் இருக்கான்னு கேட்டால் இருக்குது. அது என்னென்னா 7500. நெக்ஸ்ட் 1000ம் முடிச்சாச்சு மேம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நான் 10,000 இருக்கான்னு பார்க்குறேன். ஓகே, யூ கேன் சி. ஸோ 10,000 தேர் இஸ் ஒன்லி ஒன். ஸோ 2300 5. Now you have find the descending order in very simplest form. Clear? Very easy method. Okay, you can follow this method in your exam exercise sums and in example sums also. Okay, so ascending order means small to big. Keep it in mind, ma. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Okay, the second sum is find the least and greatest among the numbers. So இந்த numbers எல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. least அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது என்ன மீனிங் வரும்னா smallest. least means smallest. So smallest number and ஏதோ ஒரு greatest numberையும் நம்ம இங்கே find பண்ண போகிறோம். So for finding that also we can see by using the place value chart. So we can start writing from here ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, now first digit it should start from here 8 7 4. Next 98 8 9. Next 8 4 3 6. Next 3 alone. Next 7 0 0 6. The last one 5 3 905. Okay, now while comparing these numbers, so smallest, that is least number na எதுல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிருக்கும், இதுல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிருக்கும். அப்போ நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செக் பண்ண வேண்டியது ஒன்ஸ். ஸோ லீஸ்ட் வந்து என்னன்னு பார்க்கணுன்னா நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன்ஸை தான் செக் பண்ணணும் இல்லைங்களா. ஸோ ஒன்ஸை செக் பண்ணும்போது we will get, see here, this is till 100, this is till tens, this is till 1000 and this is the ones place, that is it contains 3 தான் smallest. அப்போ இது மட்டும் தான் smallest, மீதி எல்லாமே big number. okay, smallest நம்ம find out பண்ணியாச்சு. next the greatest. greatest how will you find it? நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொன்ன மாதிரி தான் இந்த சைட்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனால் இந்த சைட்லேருந்து வந்துட்டே இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஸ்மாலஸ்ட். இந்த சைடில் எது ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதோ அதுதான் பிக்கஸ்ட். ஸோ see from here, so it should come here. So this side லேருந்து 10,000 லேருந்து தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ 50935. அப்போ இப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்போது இதுதான் பிக்கெஸ்ட். ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ நம்ம ஈஸியாக சொல்லிடலாம் 935. இந்த சைட்லேருந்து எதெல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதோ அதுதான் பிக்கெஸ்ட், இந்த சைட்லேருந்து எதெல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதோ அதுதான் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட். கிளியர்? வெரி சிம்பிள். ஓகே ஓகே, the next you have to change your page. Try this book page number 14. Take your book page number 14, that is compare the two numbers and put lesser than, greater than and equal to using a place value chart. So by using a place value chart we are going to find out the comparison of these two values. So the first question what they have given is 15475. Here 3214. So for this we have to put the place value chart. So first what we are going to do is we are going to write the place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now we can write the place value. First this number in the place value chart. So from the right hand side starts. So 5 7 4 5 1. Then this side 4 1 2 3. Now by seeing this itself you can easily identify which one is biggest and which one is smallest. I already told you in this sum itself, இந்த சைடில் இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறது எல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ஸ்மாலஸ்டாக இருக்கும், இந்த சைடில் இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறது பிக்கெஸ்ட். ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் this side which starts, this side from 10,000 it starts. Yes, so this is the biggest number. This side you see it will end in 10,000 itself, but this number is starting from 10,000, but this number is starting from 1,000. So while comparing these two, which one is biggest? This is the biggest. So இந்த சைடில் இருந்து நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ஆல்ரெடி, இந்த சைடில் எது ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதோ that is the biggest number. So this is the biggest number, that is we can name it 1 2 3 1 2 3 so that is 15,475 is the biggest than 3,214. So our answer should face this side. Clear? Can you understand? Okay. Okay, so for the second question, how we can find means we have to write the place value chart, and then first we have to take and write this side of a number, that is 40237. Then this side of the number 165379. Okay, now we have written the number. Then we have to see which one is greatest. So how we have to see means we can see from the left hand side which starts from the place value, biggest place value, we can write it as biggest number. So 9 starts from lakh, but 7 starts from 10,000. So which one is biggest? 9 is the biggest number. So our answer will face like this. Okay, now we can give the name, that is 73,204 is less than 9,73,561. Okay, can you understand how we have to do these types of sums? Okay. Okay, next the third sum, what they have given here, the third sum. So for this you can take that sum and write it here also. Okay, here now for this also we have to write the place value chart. So start writing here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, you have to start writing from this side, that is 0, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 8. So this side also you have to start from here 0, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 8. So next we have to see the which one is biggest. So see here, two numbers is starting from 10 lakh. Okay, so you can compare these two numbers. So 8 equal 9 equal 7 equal 5 equal 4 equal 3 equal 0 equal. So both sides of our question is equal, means our answer should be equal. Clear? Okay, next the fourth question. Here also I am going to take the question and write it down. So 1899,799 box 1899,799. So we have to start writing the place value first. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Start writing from the left hand side or right hand side. 997,9981. This side 997,9981. Okay, now we have to compare from this side. So while comparing from 10 lakh, it is starting from 1 so both are same. So next digit, that is here also 8 same, 9 same, 9 same, 7 also same, 9 same, this 9 also same. So both the numbers while comparing in place value chart is same, means our answer will be equal to. Okay students, so can you understand how we have to do these types of sums by using a place value chart? So while using a place value chart, if you do these types of sum, means it will be very easy for you. Okay, in this session what we have learned is, we have learned how to compare the values and how we have to find the least and greatest value. And we have also learned about ascending order and how to put commas for Indian system and as well as in international system. Okay, you have to do your homeworks based on these types. When we are meeting, we can clarify our doubts. Keep noting your doubts. Okay, don't forget to keep as a note it down and do your fair work without fail. Okay students, okay, thank you.